My journey with Sweetduet Chocolate revealed the multitude of lives touched by its existence. A jeweler crafting a pendant of silver. S for Sweetduet. S for Sweetstory. This pendant, a silent companion, is destined to be my muse and a crucial part of my ever-unfolding story. Once upon a time, I stumbled into a magical jewelry shop with a friend on our way to a wedding in New Orleans. We had beautiful dresses, but nothing to wear around our necks. With my camera in hand, I captured the enchantment unfolding before us, unaware of the greater tale of strength and survival that awaited. This is where Sweetstory began.
Are you getting married? When I said that I'm going to win. Two guys.
That's cool.
Yes.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Yes. Beautiful. They have the wedding at the Museum of Art. How do you do what you do?
Oh, I started to do my jewelry in Mexico, in the Pacific coast in Mexico. Almost was by accident. But in the end, I started to really like it and enjoy everything. And I'm here making jewelry now. I want to tell you, all the display you see here, it's all recycled wood. I built this store after Katrina. So I lost my store in Royal Street and before Katrina. And after Katrina, I built this store. And I think all the time, we learn something new. We put everything together. We can survive. This is a face. Some maybe Olmec face, big nose. One of the show I did was really cool in Germany with my friend Claudia, and we teach children how to make jewelry, and that is one of the best experience because they really enjoy. Spend 30 minutes with them. They choose the stone, and I make them a ring or a necklace or anything they want. And they I can see their face, how happy they get when they finish something. It's like, wow, that is the best part. This one?
Yeah.
Oh, but this one is different.
Right. That's what I like.
You really? It's not the same.
Yeah, I know.
Another piece here, so I solder this together, and this is another piece. I solder this here in the end, and this is the main part here in the top. But so I have like a 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces there.